Are you struggling to get your business noticed on Facebook? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we are going to reveal some top-notch strategies to help you crack the code for Facebook business visibility. First and foremost, make sure your Facebook page is complete and optimized. Fill out all the necessary information, including your contact details, business hours, and a compelling description. One of the best ways to get noticed on Facebook is by creating engaging and high-quality content. Share valuable tips related to your industry, showcase your products or services, and don't forget to include eye-catching visuals. But simply creating great content is not enough. You need to actively engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and show genuine interest in their opinions. This will help build a strong and loyal community. Another secret to cracking the Facebook code is leveraging the power of Facebook groups. Find relevant groups in your niche and become an active member. Share your expertise, offer advice, and even promote your business when appropriate. Lastly, don't overlook the importance of Facebook advertising. With its powerful targeting options, you can reach your ideal customers and boost your business visibility. Remember to track your ad performance and make necessary adjustments for better results. By following these strategies, you'll be well on your way to getting your business noticed on Facebook. So, start implementing these tips today and watch your visibility soar. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and strategies.